everyone, welcome back. Students, in previous videos we have revised lesson number 7, that is air. Today we are going to revise lesson number 8, that is what does air have. Let's begin then. Students, we learnt that air is made up of many gases, means it is mixture of many gases. But all living things need oxygen to stay alive because we all need oxygen to breathe. And like breathing, oxygen is also necessary for burning. Without oxygen, things will not burn. To get this concept clear, we did one experiment also of burning the candle. Like oxygen and many other gases, dust particles also present in the air. You can watch these tiny particles if sunlight is coming through a window. You can see them floating in the air. If there are too many dust particles in the air, you might start coughing. These dust particles can settle down on many surfaces. So, we can see the dust layer on many things like table, chair, cupboard. Yes, and we need to clean them. Because of these dust particles, our clothes become dirty. So we need to wash them every day. It means that there are dust particles in the air. Students, there is one more thing present in the air. It is smoke. Whenever we burn fossil fuel like wood, paper, black smoke rises up in the air. And many vehicles like cars, scooters, buses, trucks and factories also give out smoke. This smoke mixes with the air that we breathe and it causes air pollution. If you breathe this dirty air, you might fall sick. So, smoke is harmful for us and it pollutes the air also. So, it is harmful for the nature also and animals too. So, we should see to it that how to reduce the air pollution. To reduce the air pollutions, we can take some preventive measures like using nature-friendly vehicles like bicycle because it doesn't need fuel. Yes, then we can go by walking whenever it is possible for us. Factories can be set up far from the cities and villages on the open ground so that they will not affect the people in nearby villages. We should service our vehicles on regular basis so they will not release more smoke. Yes, so these are some preventive measures, but the most important thing we can do is we can plant more and more trees so that they will absorb carbon dioxide from the air and it will make the air pure. Yes, so in this way we can reduce air pollution. So students, today we have revised that there are many gases, dust particles and smoke present in the air which affects us. Yes, so in the next session we will revise remaining lesson. So till then, thank you and goodbye.